Now let's do division. How do you divide two fractions? Let's take an example. 1 over 2 divided by 3 over 4. Okay, so how do we work this out? Now the first thing you need to do is keep the first fraction the same. Okay, so you're going to do it in 3 steps. Step number 1, keep the first fraction the same. Do not change the first fraction. So half stays the same. Step number 2, change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Okay? Last step, or step number 3, flip the second number or find the reciprocal, which means, you see how 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator? I want the opposite. I want 4 to be the numerator and 3 to be the denominator. So obviously I'm going to put 4 on top and 3 at the bottom. Okay? And then guess what? You just do your normal multiplication. Multiply 1 by 4 and multiply 2 by 3. And just do the math that way. That's it. So 4 times 1 is 4. And 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? However, this fraction needs to be simplified, right? So 4 and 6, what do they have in common? They have 2. So you're going to divide by 2. And divide by 2. And the answer should be 2 over 3. And that's your final answer. Okay? Now, what if you had 2 mixed numbers to divide? Again, it's the same thing as multiplication from the first video. So let me show you how that's done again. Okay, so let's take 2 mixed numbers, for example. Let me see, 1.5 divided by 1 and 1/3. Okay, so again, you're going to want to change them both to improper fractions. So let's do that. So this one will be denominator of 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So you put 3 on top. You put the division just for now. Okay, so let's change them first to improper fractions. This one is going to be 3 and 4 on top. Because 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is, or 3 times 1 is 3 and plus 1 is 4. So we have it right there. Okay, so let's do the division in this case. Again, 3 steps. Remember step number 1, do not mess with the first one. Keep it the same. Step number 2, change the division to a multiplication. And step number 3, find the reciprocal of the second number, which means you change the order of the 2 numbers. Okay, so just go ahead and do your normal thing. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 2 is 8. So this is obviously an improper fraction, and we need to change it to a mixed number. Yes, there you go. Okay, so 9 over 8. 8 goes into 9 one time. Denominator is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. How much do you need to get to 9? You need 1. And that's your final answer. Okay? So basically division is multiplying by the reciprocal of the second number. So change the division to multiplication and then switch the second number around. So top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. Okay? And that's what division is all about.